This HASITE Flag Football Set feels sturdily built, with thick woven belts and strong hook and loop closures that hold up well to repeated pulls and rough play. The adjustable belts are long enough to fit a wide range of waist sizes comfortably, so both children and adults can join the same game without fussing over fit. With enough belts and flags for 14 players, the kit is well suited for full 7 versus 7 games, making it ideal for school groups, youth leagues, or family gatherings. The inclusion of a size 3 football, inflation pump, and multiple practice cones means you can run organized drills and scrimmages right out of the bag without needing extra gear. Everything packs into the included carry bag, which makes it easy to bring the set to parks, beaches, or backyards, and keeps all the small pieces from getting lost. Its combination of durable materials, flexible sizing, and complete accessories makes this set a practical and fun choice for anyone looking to introduce non-contact football to mixed age groups.